Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming two-step verification is active. This matters because the code ties to your account's second factor. Once done, pick whether you want an authenticator app or SMS. Apps are faster and offline. Make sure to generate backup codes and store them offline. They save you if your phone breaks. Start entering the code immediately when prompted, because codes refresh frequently. If you use an authenticator, scan the QR quickly and copy the 6-digit code into Gmail to verify. Once Gmail prompts for your code, open the Authenticator app or check SMS. You must use the newest 6-digit number because codes expire rapidly. If the code times out, wait for the next rotation and enter it promptly, because retries can lock attempts. If you use a hardware security key, insert it now and follow the on-screen tap instructions. This bypasses numeric codes. Make sure your device clock is synced, since time drift will cause authenticator mismatches and failed logins. After entering a valid code, confirm Gmail signs you in and choose whether to mark the device as trusted, only if it is private. If the code fails, sync your phone's time, reopen the authenticator, and try again. Alternatively, use one backup code you stored offline. If you still cannot access the account, avoid repeated attempts that lock you out. Instead, start the account recovery process and be ready with identity details. One tip: rebooting the Authenticator app often clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.